Hello, we are back again with our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and become more successful in this digital era. It's your girl Joy.
And I am Becky. Today we're diving into a skill that has taken the digital world by storm: video editing.
Absolutely. We will discuss why video editing is so important today, the exciting career opportunities it offers, and how you can master video editing skills here at Bismarck Technologies.
Now, why is video editing important? Video content are everywhere, from social media platforms to corporate marketing. Engaging videos are crucial for capturing attention and passing messages effectively.
Exactly. With the rise of video marketing, businesses need skilled editors to create professional-looking content that resonates with their audience. A well-edited video can increase engagement, boost brand awareness, and drive sales.
What are the benefits of learning video editing? Learning video editing opens you up to a world of creativity. You get to tell stories, create visual art, and convey emotion through your edit.
Plus, with platforms like YouTube and TikTok, you can turn video editing into a profitable side hustle or a full-time career. The demand for skilled content creators is skyrocketing.
And it's a skill that you can apply in various fields, from marketing to filmmaking, education, and even entertainment.
Let's talk about how you can learn video editing here at Bismarck Technologies. At Bismarck Technologies, we offer a comprehensive video editing course that covers everything from the basics to advanced editing techniques.
You will learn how to use popular softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Our hands-on approach means you'll be working on real projects, allowing you to apply what you learn right away.
By the end of the course, you will have a portfolio of edited videos to showcase your skills, making you ready for freelance work or employment in the field of video editing.
Career and job opportunities in video editing. With video editing skills, you have various career options. You can either be a video editor, a social media manager, a content creator, or even a filmmaker.
Many companies are looking for skilled video editors to produce promotional videos, social media content, training materials, and more. You could also work with brands or influencers to create engaging content. Opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, the media and entertainment industry is growing, creating more opportunities for video editors. From television stations to digital marketing agencies, there's a high demand for skilled professionals.
And internationally, video editing is a sought-after skill. With many companies offering remote positions, you can work with clients globally, expanding your reach and potential income. Now, why should someone learn video editing? Video editing is not just a technical skill, but a way to express creativity and tell powerful stories. Now, with the rise of video content, mastering this skill can lead to a rewarding career.
And with Bismarck Technologies hands-on training, you will gain the confidence and skills you need to succeed in this exciting field of video editing. Whether you want to create content for fun or start a professional career in video editing, this is the right time to jump right in. If you're ready to unleash your creativity and dive into the world of video editing, check out Bismarck Technologies video editing course. This could be your first step towards a dynamic career.
Thanks for joining us on today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye!